The data shift.
In 2020, traditional jobs dominated the global workforce. Data entry, customer support, and accounting were everywhere. But something started to change. As the world shifted during the pandemic, businesses turned to automation. Slowly at first, then all at once. AI engineers, automation experts, and content creators began rising rapidly. By 2022, the momentum was clear. Artificial intelligence was no longer the future, it was the present. By 2023, the shift accelerated. Millions of routine tasks were replaced. Entire industries began transforming. And by 2025, AI wasn't just supporting jobs, it was defining them. Now in 2026, we are witnessing a completely new reality. A world where human roles are evolving. And artificial intelligence is leading the workforce. The question is no longer if AI will change jobs, but how fast you adapt to it.